Alright guys, we're going to tear this motor down. I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me in regular time. I'll do it in fast motion. I said that last time, I never did it. I don't want to put out another 20-some minute video. So I'm going to probably just try to speed the film up somewhere so we can just get this thing ripped apart. Alright, here we go. got this all apart. Come over and get you off that tripod and bring you over and show you some stuff. Okay, camera says it was running for 56 minutes. Took us to take that motor apart. Here's the piston. Let me get you guys in view. There's the piston that was in it. Looks pretty tore up, but we got lucky. The cylinder wall, oh, both sides of it, man, it's destroyed. Look at that piston. Both sides of it. And here's the cylinder. Let's see if we can, I think we can run a hone down through there. There's no big gouges or nothing. So I think we got lucky on that cylinder. Let's see if I can get this other piston out of here. Can't get my fingers in there to pop it up. Try this hand. There we go. Alright. Here's this piston. These are just single ring pistons. Looks pretty good shape still. Not bad. This cylinder, well, you guys can see that. Looks pretty decent. So actually, all I need to do is just order a top case. I didn't find the pieces so I could have welded that one back together. Not me, I can't weld it. Somebody could have. So if I order a top half a case and a couple pistons and gasket kit, we could put this motor back together and I ain't have to tear the other one apart. Just got to figure out why the motor filled up full of oil. This here is the, let me get down here. This here is the water pump drive gear. See the water pump there? And that area fills up full of oil from the oil pumps. Yeah, right there. So tilt this back so you guys get a better shot. So that area is supposed to fill up with the oil somewhat. Keep everything lubricated good. And then these seals are supposed to keep it from going to the rest of the motor. So I don't know if these seals are bad. They don't feel bad. You can feel drag on this bearing from the seal. These are bad. We'll have to split the crank apart and put new seals on there. And then there's the seal for the other end. That's the seal for the PTO side. And these bearings all spin nice and freely. And these bearings spin freely. So go in here and look, see what we can find on eBay for. This one looks a little different colored, but you know, it's got a little bit of play back and forth, but up and down there's nothing. And this one here is the good one. It's got about the same amount of play, but there's nothing up and down. So I'm going here and check this out. I'll throw this video up. I'm going to trim it down, hopefully keep it around 10 minutes or less. And we'll see what's going on. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. What do you think, Vinny? Ready to go to the house? All right, he's ready.